A woman calls 911 for help. Minutes later, she calls back to cancel. Officers are already around the corner. By the end of this call, she is the one in handcuffs.
Hello, I'm the one who made the call. Hi, what's going on? So I'm sorry, I made a false hoax because me and my boyfriend got into a big argument and he moved my stuff outside, so I got upset and called you guys. I apologize.
Okay, do you need law enforcement?
No.
No, do you want medical attention or anything like that?
No, I apologize.
You're okay. Did anything physical happen or anything like that?
No.
Are you just saying that so that we leave? Yeah.
Nothing happened.
Do you want to sit in the back of the car and then we can talk when it's more private?
No, we're good. Nothing happened.
Okay, do you mind just keeping your hands out in front of you for me?
Sorry.
Thank you. No, you're okay. Who is this female? Do you know who
That's
she is?
his mother.
That's his
She's
mom?
gonna be the one who's gonna say that Clayton's that's the one that came out to talk to you first. I'm gonna just tell you that.
Where's your boyfriend at?
He's inside.
He's inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the one who moved all my stuff out. The one that yells and screams. I mean, we have it on camera. But
Okay.
I don't want him to get arrested. I don't want none of that. I was trying to call to tell you guys not to come out here, but
We were already like right around the corner.
yeah, you were right around the
called
corner,
that,
so yeah.
Okay. So do you mind hanging out with her and we'll go try to talk to the other half?
It doesn't need to escalate to this point, honestly. Like,
Okay, well
it was
what's
a
your
false call.
plan for the rest of the day?
My plan I'm gonna just
Yeah.
leave.
Do you want us to take you somewhere?
No, I'm good.
No?
I'm gonna just leave.
Okay.
It doesn't need to escalate at all. Just leave.
I'll just like her information.
Just real quick, did he touch you at all?
Not today, no.
Not today. Do you want to report any type of crime to us?
No.
Listen, you do know that we can take you to women's shelters or domestic violence shelters, correct? Do you know that?
Are they like open or free?
100%. Would you like to go to one of those?
Yeah.
Okay. Officer Nick, could you help facilitate her to that and just talk to her for a second? We're just going to go make sure that he is okay.
No, don't talk to him.
Here's the thing. You called us. Okay, here's the thing. I need to make sure all parties are okay.
He's gonna lie. All they're gonna say is I'm the crazy one.
Okay.
It's fine.
But here's the thing. We can still help get you to a domestic violence shelter, okay? You said nothing happened, okay? That's what you've told us. I don't see any marks or bruises, so he's not going to jail right now because you have not reported any crime to us, okay? So, if you want to go to a domestic violence shelter, we can definitely help facilitate that, okay? Let's go talk to Mom.
Don't talk to him, please.
Ma'am, hey, you don't tell me what to do, okay? But I'm gonna do my entire job, okay?
I'll talk to you away from her.
Okay, that works. That's okay. Do you want to go to a shelter still?
Yeah, look at how they treat me like I pay rent here. I him. I cook 3 times out the day. He lets his mom yell at him. He lets his mom scream at him. Like, I was not raised like that. Like,
He's not going to come out to talk to us? Is that what you said?
Yeah, he will talk to you when I say he can.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm gonna do because I've dealt with this all night long for being on something.
Okay.
My son came to me and asked me that something was wrong with her. Okay, she's tweaking. She's like doing something with her tongue. She was slurring her words all night. Kept us up to 5 o'clock this morning. Okay, I brought my son up here because she just wouldn't let him say he was asleep, and she woke him up just because she was twisted. She woke the whole house up, going in the rooms, doing all kinds of crazy shit last night. And then finally she went to sleep. I brought my son up here, so she had nobody to really go back. And everybody else always shut their doors and locked it because she kept coming down with the babies and waking everybody up.
Okay.
You know? And so I dealt with this all night.
If we could talk to him.
Okay, I'm
Or
already
anything
talked to her
physical happen?
grandpa. I already talked to her grandpa.
Real quick. Okay, hold on. We're just trying to. She's not saying anything happened, okay?
I'm saying it happened because I'm tired of it.
Hello.
It doesn't matter what she
Are
said.
you the
Did
boyfriend?
anybody put hands on anybody?
No.
No?
No, she was trying to throw something at him just a minute ago and he didn't do nothing.
Well, that's why. Did anybody put hands on anybody?
No.
Okay. Was there anybody striking, punching, kicking, anything
No.
like that? Huh?
No.
I think he's just talking.
Okay. That's what we're here for. Okay?
I get it, but I dealt with son. I'm tired. And then she gets up this morning. We try to let her sleep whatever she did off, and then she gets up and starts doing it again.
Do they both live here?
Yes.
They do? Okay.
That's a boyfriend, girlfriend.
Okay.
Right, and I already told him, I said, you stay up here because she is causing problems with the whole thing. I mean, with her tweaking like that, my son he can't handle that stuff.
So all we want to talk to him for is just to confirm what you just now said, and then we're gonna leave.
Okay, I just had to say my word too.
No, understandable.
I'll for this girl.
That's fine.
I've already talked to her grandpa. He don't even want her. Okay, I'm like done with it, and it's emotional because I care about her. I care about her.
I'm with him all the time, man.
I care about her, but this is too much for me.
I get it.
Okay, it's too much for my household. She's it all up.
You don't have anywhere else to go?
No, that's why I'm in this situation.
Yeah. Probably info.
She calls me out my name.
I would
she
say
calls
so.
me
It's the closest one.
She calls me out my name like she is her mama's boy.
How you guys have been together for how long?
Like 3 months. Only 3 months.
Oh,
He's
that's
already
it?
put his hands on me. You know what my grandpa said about him? He's a psycho. You need to leave him. He's sick.
Where's your grandpa live?
My grandpa lives in Riverview.
Oh, that's kind of far.
Yeah.
Would he be able to come and get you, like to stay with him after?
Look, he gonna try to be calm. Yeah, go ahead, be calm and collected while I show them all these bruises. I want to put on my pants, actually. Let me put on my pants so you can see how f***ed up my legs are.
Where?
Yeah, I'm not a woman beater. I'd never hit a woman.
When are those from?
They're not from last night. They're from a week and a half ago.
A week and a half ago.
Yeah.
Did you call the police then?
No, I didn't, because I don't ever want to call the police on him because I don't feel like he should go to jail.
Why? For hurting you?
Because I love him.
I get it, but I mean, when's he gonna stop? You know,
when is he gonna stop?
when
Never.
he gets
arrested.
I mean,
When
you
somebody
said
beats
it. You said it.
or
Not
his
me.
mama died, the one that's eating his right now.
You said it. Not me.
He was just in jail, me too, and he put me in jail. He put me in jail because I was in the car with him. I am not a bad girl. They said, oh no, you was in the middle seat. Hands behind your back. Okay, damn. Yeah.
Yeah, if she's ever doing anything that's obviously alarming you or making you feel unsafe.
Trying to hit the one kid just because she was mad about some of her clothes that she left outside.
Then you call us, okay? Whenever those kinds of things happens and you feel like you need law enforcement, just give us a call, okay? And we'll come out and we'll try to figure it out, okay?
Yeah, I mean, my son loves her, but she can't be acting like this because it's my house.
Understandable.
100%.
Okay.
Right.
All right, you guys.
Well, let's let them do what they're doing. They'll come back over, and if that's still something that you want to do, then we'll see if it.
Because at this point, I want to file a lawsuit. Because not only that, you gave me herpes too. Like, you gave me herpes.
You want to go to a women's domestic violence shelter or no?
Yeah, they want me to go.
Well, that's not up to them. Do you want to go to a domestic violence shelter?
Yeah, I'll pack my stuff.
You want to get some of your property?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's going to get some of her stuff, and then we're going to take her away, okay? Everyone just don't say anything to anybody right now. Just trying to grab your stuff, and then we'll go, okay?
You have nothing to say to me?
All right, China, that's not why we're here.
Can you go please, Warren, please?
Do you want to go?
No, I don't want to go. I'm
don't
saying right
wanna
now. No.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all can leave.
No, you go down the stairs. You're not staying.
Okay, hold on a second.
Your bottom is downstairs. Don't you come up to my house.
I want to talk to him. He packed my
No,
You guys.
He's allowed to talk.
No,
We're not. Hey,
let him
listen.
be a human.
Everybody, just hold on a second.
Can you see
you
what
just-
she's doing though as a
No,
mother?
because this is my
Hold
house
on.
up here. You live downstairs.
He packed all my like he get to be
Okay,
quiet.
hold on a second. So that's why
I
we
could put him in
wanted,
jail right now, right?
that's why
I
we wanted to
could.
take you somewhere, okay? Unless you want to sit here and argue with them, we could take you to the shelter for a couple days or a night or whatever.
She knows she's not allowed to come up here. This is my part. Don't ever come up here because it's the way you act. No.
After your son.
Listen, you don't need to talk to him, okay? Because this is what you do. Please, Clayton.
Now he's acting calm. I'm telling you, where's the
He's
camera
been
footage?
calm.
No, where's the camera footage?
So you
Let me
can't.
get his phone and see the
You
camera
can't
footage.
stop her from going inside
Yes, I
because she
can.
lives
because-
here.
No, she lives downstairs.
She
It's
still
separate.
lives here though.
It's separate.
Does she have? Is this a common area up here?
This is one's level, and it's separated from the one downstairs. She's not allowed up here.
How does she get from outside?
She goes around to her the
She's not
door.
allowed to be up on this?
No,
Does
not
she
at all.
ever have access up there?
She's not allowed to be up here.
Does
It's
she
been
ever have access to bathroom, kitchen, anything?
nothing. It's all
She
downstairs.
has it in her own bathroom?
Everything
So you
downstairs.
don't want her up on this
I
floor,
do
you want
not.
her down below?
No, because she comes up and pushes me
Are
and
we
stuff. I
okay
don't
with
want
taking
her.
her out and preventing?
I'm not even gonna try that because
No, are you okay if we assist her?
yes, you can. She is not allowed to be up here. I've already told her not to come up in my house because she starts stuff. I don't want it. This is my only place with my son's face on.
China. So she doesn't want you in this area of the house. Because I guess that you don't generally have access to this area?
I do. I wash my clothes up here. She's lying.
Okay, but what about this area specifically?
This area, I can be in here.
Okay, I'm talking about the rest of the house.
So past this kitchen, no. But this,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so
This
what
is a free area. She's lying. That's what I'm saying. She's lying. This is a free area. The whole house is a common area. She just doesn't want me up there. Everybody else is allowed up in this common area, but me. I've been through this before. My mom worked for PJJ. You can't do that to people. There's common areas. Your room is not a common area. Your bathroom is not a common area. The living room is a common area. The living room is a common area. The kitchen is a common area. This is a common area. The bathroom is not a common area. I know what I'm allowed to do and what not to do. Like, I know the law. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but like, y'all put me in my place before. Like, listen, so I know what to do and what not to do because I'm not trying to get in trouble.
Yeah, so what's the plan for today though? Because we're not going to sit here while you and boyfriend argue and mom argues. And I feel like if we leave, that's just going to keep continuing.
I'm gonna be honest. If you leave it, yeah, it happens
so
every day.
So what can we do to make that not happen?
I'm gonna be honest. Every day, me and this man argue, and it's because, yeah. What's it called? Sorry, I got thrown off track. We argue every day,
Okay,
every other day.
we're going to leave. Okay.
I didn't even want y'all to come. I
Well,
tried
you
to
called
tell
us.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you call us, okay?
Yeah. Promise you, when I have a black eye, y'all gotta hurt me. Well, call us. We'll come out. I'm not black eye term, like you said.
Ma'am, do you want to report anything? Because we tried to do this earlier. And you
I
said-
don't want to report nothing. Nothing. I don't want to report.
So any common areas like that, all that.
No, there's one downstairs.
Does she use that one though?
Yeah, whenever I guess they leave the door open.
Okay. So common areas she's allowed to be in. Okay, that's just the way it is. If she causes problems, physical anything, call us. Okay. She now doesn't want to go. I don't know what switches on in her brain, but if you need us, call us. Okay. Obviously, video is the best.
Yeah.
So there's no offense. Nobody's going to be an independent witness here. You're obviously going to back your son. Nobody's going to back her. Okay. So.
That's not true. I've been backing her.
Okay. Well, all right.
Don't act like I don't care for her.
That's
She
not
is
what I meant.
just too
That's not what I-
much.
that's not what I meant, ma'am. I just think most women back their children, okay? So that's.
No, I'm separating them.
I got you. Anything else we can do for you? No. All right, call us when you get
All right.
All right, what's going on in here? What's going on? We're not going to keep coming back. She won't let me talk to him.
This is my room.
All right.
This
All right.
is my room.
I want to talk to my
That's
boyfriend.
it. That's it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You're going in handcuffs.
I want to talk to my boyfriend.
Stop. You're going to catch a charge.
I don't
I'm
wanna
done dealing with you. Stop. Quiet.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now? I could have got him arrested. Are you serious? I won't go. Okay, okay.
You clearly need to calm down.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. You're going in handcuffs because you don't want to stop. I've had it. We're not going to hang out.
He told me I could come in. He told me I could come in.
We're not going to hang out at your house all day because you guys want to act like children. I'm over it.
You want? I could have got him. Are you serious?
You're causing the issues.
212 for a welfare check
All right,
at
let's go.
1111 Kingdom Street.
No one said you're going to jail. You need to relax.
I could get out these handcuffs. I got small wrists. Like, I'm the wrong one. I'm an anorexic.
All right, do it and you're going to jail.
Why are you taking me to jail?
I never said you're going to jail. I said if you slip your cuffs, you're going to jail.
And what? Oh, I shut up, honestly.
You need to stop.
When he
We're here trying to help you.
he
You're making
caused
it worse.
bruises on me.
Get in the car. Rip
He
away
caused
from me
bruises
again.
on me.
Get in the car. She busted through her into the room, and I just didn't want to listen. So.
Do you want to press charges for battery against her?
No, it's not my decision, it's your mom. No, my dude's gonna do it. My dude's gonna do it.
Well, you saw it, right? So then, yeah.
Let me ask you
It's a
something.
mom decision.
Do they all live here?
Yes.
What does that make this?
Domestic violence.
Whose room is
Does
that?
she have a say in it?
No, that's why I
Is it
just
your
how
room or
I.
is it your mom's
Right,
room?
yeah.
Okay.
So
And you didn't want her to go in your
No,
room? And then she
because she
pushed
already
back
put
to
her
get in there.
hands on him, and then she was aggressive.
Do you
going-
wish to be a victim?
here's the thing. She already got the correct answer. No offense. She's going to jail regardless. If you don't want to press charges later, that's fine. But you all live here together. That makes this a domestic situation, okay? Don't matter whether you want to be a victim or not. So she's going to jail for the day anyways. She wants to push. Officer Negron saw it. She pushed past you to go into your room by touching you. That's domestic battery. She's going to go. No offense. Needs to happen anyways. It's going to just keep causing problems today.
This is probably going to be the only way that today's issue is going to be solved.
So,
Because if we leave, we're just going to keep coming back.
what is something that we need to do with each one of them?
Get their statements, get their info, get their pamphlet.
And, separate them as well. So, very good.
So let's start. Can I get?
Can we not do it in front of her because she's
Yeah,
out?
here, she's in the car.
Yeah, she's in the
Unless you want to go in the backyard.
Can we just like go in here? I don't want her. I mean, she just. It's hard cooking with a child.
So what? So today it kind of sounds like they've been arguing. Have you been arguing with her as well? No. Okay. So what?
Okay, so what happened was last night, and I
Today,
sort
this is
of,
just
okay,
today.
well, she woke up from her sleep, and she started running around looking for my son. And she goes, where is he? And I'm like, I don't know, because I didn't know where he was. So she came back down, and then she's seen her basket of clothes, which she had it out there. She's had it out there for almost like 3 weeks now.
Okay.
Okay. And she goes, oh, he packed up all my stuff. He packed up all my, and I said, no, you had that bag. Now, she washed a thing of clothes, because I seen it, because I pulled it out of the dryer.
So you guys got into an argument over the laundry?
No.
Okay.
No, not
So
an
what-
argument.
so
She
what
was
started-
telling me that he packed her stuff up. And I go, he didn't. You know what I mean? He didn't pack her stuff up because she had it out here already. It's been sitting out here. And
So her and Clayton were arguing over the laundry.
no, Clayton didn't argue with her. He was up there sleeping.
Okay. So look.
I mean, no, he woke up. He
Let's
said,
forget. Hold on a second. You're
I know, I'm
getting
it's so
confused.
much.
So, aside from all of that, what brought us to coming here today? I know that she called us, but clearly something happened before that, right?
Nobody did anything to her. She was mad. And that's what, nobody was giving her the time of day because we were working out front, loading the trucks and stuff. We didn't. And okay, let me just go. Let me think back because this is like it was so much going on. She got upset, and I told her, "I'm out loading the truck. I can't talk to you right now." And so she didn't want to hear that. But I said, "I have people out front, and I have to go load this truck." And I said, "I'll come back to you," right? So she comes storming down the stairs, and I can hear her bitching. But I have a guy out here, and I have to load. So then I come back after I fell, and I come back down to see where she was, and she's right. Jordan's standing there. She's got a battery, and she's trying to wing it up. So I stepped in front of her. Okay.
Jordan,
The little boy upstairs, and because I seen he'd come back to pick up something, and she started. And I seen her, she was like going at him, and then she picked up the battery and went like this, and I got in front of her so she couldn't throw it, because otherwise she was going to hit him.
What kind of a battery was it?
It's a,
$14.
What was it, like a car battery?
no,
Or
it's
was
a,
it
for the drill, It's like
it's small,
like this, something like this, but bigger.
Okay, you're fine. You're good.
All right, so she was going to throw that at him, and I stepped in front. And then she goes, I'm going to go call the po-po on you. And I'm like, okay, whatever, you know, just as long as, you know, and then I had Jordan go out that way, and then she was doing her thing, and then, of course, I have babies, and then they were walking out, so I'm just trying to, you know, pull it back down because she's getting sporadic and more, so then she walked out that way. I went up to grab my phone because if I needed to call the cops because what she was doing, but she walked out the front, ended up doing something up there with the guy and the girl that was standing out there, and proceeds to walk on the sidewalk, go to the neighbors, call the cops, comes back, puts a bottle on the road, which somebody freaking just hit. I went over here, and it's smashed it. She had her clothes.
So hold on.
I know it's so much.
This is really way off.
Listen, sorry, just real quick. No offense, I'm not trying to be rude. All that's kind of just background. Let's go to where we left for a second.
Oh, for the second.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened in that brief little gun time?
Okay, so I'm sitting on the porch.
Hold on, and from right when we left to right when she went in handcuffs, I want that minute.
Okay.
That's what we want.
So I'm sitting on the porch. I hear her yelling and screaming inside, and so I'm thinking she's going after my son. So, and I couldn't get in. The door wouldn't open, so I don't know if she was holding.
So you said that. What did you say? I'm sorry.
I heard her screaming, and
so
and then,
you were sitting outside.
Yes.
And you heard her
and then I was trying to get in the door, and I couldn't get in the door. And I don't know if she was holding it because I couldn't get in. So, and that's when I banged on the door. That's why when I don't know who was in the cop car, I waved him down because I can't get in. I'm hearing screaming, so I just wanted to make sure everything was good or whatever. And I hear her getting louder, but then he comes out and because she put his hands. I mean, because you can see where she pulled him. You can see where his clothes been pulled.
Who?
Jordan.
Okay.
Yeah. So she touched him. Because he didn't say nothing, he don't want to say nothing, but that's what happened. Anyway.
Did you see that happen though?
No, but that's why yeah.
So you couldn't open the door.
Right, and then I come in, and then she's coming back from, it was okay, she wasn't in there, and then all of a sudden she comes from the back door and proceeds to thing, and I get in front of my door because I know, I mean, she was just like coming at, like, and I didn't want her to go in there on my son, because my son's laying down, trying to be with, yes, he was over there, trying not to be in nothing, and here she comes, and she just comes like flying, so I put myself in front of my door, because it's my room, I don't want her in there, you know, and that's when she proceeded to push on me.
Is that whenever the officer was in the house already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And that's what
How
she
did
does.
she push through you?
Just kind of put her hands on me and shove, like
Like
trying to get me out of the way.
Okay.
Shove.
So she kind of shoved you aside? And
Yeah,
then
that's
went
what
through?
she does.
Okay.
She does it all the time.
So they go with the like background stuff or just hey. That's what we need. Don't
Hi,
care.
Clayton. Mind if we have a conversation really quick? Oh, I don't want that. Yeah.
Oh, is that contagious?
Poison oak? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, if you
spread it?
Yeah, if you like rub up, if you
Oh
touch
my
it, you
God.
can also technically get it. I think.
Okay. So what happened after we left and then came back? Like what happened in those couple, like probably like 2 minutes?
She came in the room. Where
Who's
I was,
she?
China.
China? Okay. She came into...
My mom's room.
Okay.
And then when she came in, I ran over because on her accent.
You said she came into mom's room and did what?
She just walked in and she just like started like grabbing me, trying to like pull me over, like to stop, like looking the opposite direction. I didn't want to talk to her because like she always wants to talk on her time. Like you can't do that. Man, fuck it.
So was she like what do you mean pulling you? Like
She was like wrapping her arms around me, and then like she was like on my back, and she was just like pushing my like neck a little bit. But I don't want to press charges like that. Sucks, dude. Like you can't get no good. Like, I feel like she is a good girl, and I feel like she could definitely relocating to the north side with my 1015. We don't need to be together right now.
okay. I'm sorry that you're going through this. Do you feel like whenever she was pulling on you that it was just like to get your attention? Do you feel like it was to like
Make me talk when I didn't want to.
okay. Is that whenever the female officer came in the room, or was that before we got back here?
No, that was like when y'all are about to leave, and then.
Oh, that was before we were called the first time.
Yeah, no, that was after. That was after. Like after when y'all walked out, that and when she came back in.
Yeah.
That's when that happened. And then Jordan, he came in the room because he heard her just yelling at me. And he was like, "You want to come chill with me?" But I didn't want to talk. Like, and then she started yelling at Jordan because she was like, you wanted to yell at me before, and then she started getting aggressive.
What do you mean by aggressive?
Like she started I don't know, like walking towards him like aggressively.
Oh, towards Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Jordan walked out, and then before she even did anything, he walked outside. He was like, "I need to grab this girl," and then she said she wanted to talk to me, and then she ran through my mom, and then she came to me, and then she pushed the officer.
Okay. So she left to go kind of like yell. Was she yelling at Jordan when she left?
When she walked out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then that's whenever she kind of pushed back through mom?
She came back in, like, I guess she was done with Jordan, and I guess, like, she wanted to come talk to me about, like I want to talk right now, like,
yeah,
she run around the neighborhood, like, this is the suburbs, like we don't do that around here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Did you see her push your mom?
She shoved through her to get to the room.
You saw that part?
Yeah,
okay.
I seen that.
All right. Do you know if she's using anything, or if she's on anything, or any mental health diagnoses?
She works at she worked at with a for an old dude in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
And I guess the old dude, cause she said she was hurting, and I guess she tried some codeine.
Mm.
Okay. How long ago was that?
Like 2 days ago, but like ever since then, it's been like it's hilarious. Like,
So she's been acting different since she tried
like,
the codeine?
I didn't try it.
No, since she tried the codeine.
Yeah.
She's been acting different. Okay.
Do we need him for anything else?
Unless I get pictures.
Okay. Well, yeah. Are those bruises from her today, or are those old bruises, or is that even from her, or do you not want to mention anything about
Like,
them?
I'm not gonna lie, like it's gonna sound crazy, but we probably do have some like physical sex. Like,
Okay. Well, that's
not what we
that's
meant. Yeah,
cool.
that's-
All right, that sex is different. Can you go get Jordan real quick for us?
sir.
Thank you. Obviously, are we gonna want to talk to China?
Yeah.
And then,
So she did get a charge.
She did, yes.
Wow.
Domestic battery on mom.
because you all live together, okay? So technically, anybody that puts hands on one another, we have no choice, okay? Per Florida state statute, if we're able to establish probable cause for somebody's arrest, they will be going to jail. There's no, even if people don't want to be victims, it doesn't matter. So, like, let's say it was you, okay, and you still don't want to be a victim. You guys live together, it doesn't matter. Does that make sense? Yeah. Now, that doesn't mean that the charges are going to go through all the way, but at least for today, she's taking the ride. So, thank you. Yeah, if you could, get Jordan. So, what are we going to do before we talk to her?
Miranda,
And then, what do we want to just double check with?
With her?
Or with somebody else?
Like dispatch?
Hold
And
on.
obviously we can run it.
Wait, do I come down there?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Unless you want to shout.
No.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
15, okay. Do you spell your name Jordan?
Yeah.
Alright, so what happened in between us leaving, like, the first time?
So when y'all left, I came inside, and then I went to go ask Clay a question, and then she turned around, and she brought her fist up, and I was like, what's going on? And then she starts yelling at me, and she's just like, oh, well, I don't even know what she was saying, because she just kept mumbling at me. I'm just like, she's yelling at me, but she's mumbling at me. I'm like, so I walk out the room, because she's starting to, so she, grabbed my shirt right here, and she tried to pull me, and then I pushed her off of me, and I was like, don't grab me. And then that's when I walked out the room, and then I fixed my shirt, and then Miss Julie banged on the door, and then that's when y'all came. And then she was like, I'll go get my boyfriend. I'm like, what? Like,
So she pulled you on your shirt.
yeah,
She grabbed your shirt to kind of try to pull it. So you
Like-
pushed her off and then walked out the room.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Jordan.
No.
We'll probably walk back up with you.
Bye.
Okay.
Do you want a victim's right packet or no?
No,
Okay.
I'm good.
No, I just got to get that on camera. Okay. Thank you very much, y'all. If you
I'm so sorry.
No,
nope.
you're okay.
Listen, you ain't gotta apologize for nothing. Listen, this was gonna. Honestly, I figured we were gonna be back out here, not quite in 2 seconds, but later on today to take some. But at the time, we didn't have any reason to prevent her from staying here, or because y'all said no crime, she said no crime, no offense, can't do anything. You know what I'm saying? And this is unfortunate.
Needs help, man.
Yeah, that does seem apparent, but
Just look into a more long-term solution because she's gonna get out of jail.
I know she is.
You know what I mean? She's gonna be right back here
I
and.
know, because her grandpa, I just talked, he's like,
Sam also told me what she saw, so we have that.
She escaped from cuffs.
Oh, nice.
That's another charge, taking your cuffs off.
I didn't.
She's a giant.
That's another charge. If they
Slam
want
your
to
head
shoot
into
you
the
with
back
that,
window.
It was just too.
I
Start
told
taking
you
photos
before
of
I
this.
brought you in this
Please
car
don't
not to do
charge
that,
me.
and you did it anyway.
Please don't
You just
charge
don't care.
Start
That's your
taking
I
problem.
photos.
do. Please don't charge me. Please, I would.
It's not me who's going to charge you. I can plead them.
I'm
Get in the car.
Okay, okay.
Get in the car.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you thinking?
There's something wrong with you. There's nothing.
No, there is. There really is.
With my head. Sorry. You can just pull it. I'm not kidding you. Just pull it.
Hey Sarge, just letting you know, our 1015 out here, she started banging her head on the partition, and now she has a huge knot. But it was not there prior to, just so you know. But we took photos. Yep, just making you aware in case any complaints come. Oh yeah, we'll do. Bye.
All right.
Can I please talk to my
Nope, get back in the
boyfriend? Am I ever gonna talk to him?
Sure. Betsy,
Can you just tell me the truth?
move your feet in. Why would you never talk to him again? How
Because
can we control that?
You're gonna get out and you're gonna come back right back here, right?
get out where? Get out of this car.
No, get out of jail probably.
I'm going to
Sit
jail.
back in the
Stay in the
car.
car. I'm
going
not
to jail.
playing this game with you.
I'm going to jail. Can I call him?
Roll the window down. Nan, can you roll the window down? This is how we're gonna do the interview. We're not doing it with the open.
Can I just talk? I'll stay in the car.
Yep, that's exactly what's gonna happen. I'm gonna read you your rights first, though, okay?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything taken, you can prolong. You have the right to lawyer. In between us leaving.
Hold on. Do you understand each of those rights? Alright.
So what happened in between us leaving and coming back?
Y'all leaving?
Coming back.
Coming back here to the car?
Yes. No, I mean whenever we left the first time when you said you don't want us and you.
Oh, I came upstairs and he allowed me to come in his room. That's what, and I was sitting on top of him, playing with him, and we were just talking.
Playing.
And then, yes, and then his mom storms in and was like, "Oh no, you're not allowed in here." And then that's when I was like, "Well, he just had me in here. What the?" And then I said, "Well, let me just go see my boyfriend. Let me see him. Let me see him." Because that's what usually happens between me and Clayton. They'll usually just like,
Was that his room or was that mom's room?
his mom's in there. He lives in there.
But that's not his room.
Okay. He goes in there, but mom says we're allowed in every room in the house. I walk around every room in the house. I've been in every room. We just say common area.
Aiming for anything.
We'll take. Well, I'll probably have you do a supplement later. Just a patrol one. So just on what you saw, please.
Because he was very quiet. And usually when Clayton tells me when he gets like that, to come and, you know what I mean, come comfort him. So when I talked to him, I was comforting him. And then his mom came in and was like, get out, get out, get out. And he was okay with that. And then that's when I was like, no, like, he's good. Like, we're good. And I told Clay too, I was like, Clay, I don't want to ever press charges on you. The shit that you've done to me, yeah. The shit that you do at your house could put you in the jail for 15 to 20 years. Like, the shit that you have in your room right now.
216 cancel.
And told you to get out. What did you do?
Copy, thank you.
Everyone puts their hands on me. Like, that's why I'm so confused. Why am I getting arrested?
Well, because you shoved right through the mom right in front of police officers.
She slapped me in the face. She's done that plenty of times. We do that. Like, that's what I'm saying, like, pressing charges. That's why I said, does she want you to press charges on me?
No.
That's what I'm saying, no.
But it's domestic violence because you guys live together.
But it's not like that, though.
But it is. We don't have a choice. And she doesn't have a choice. So even if she said, no, I don't want her to go to jail, I want her to stay right here, you're going to jail.
Which, by the way, she said she doesn't want to press charges, but we don't have a choice. So.
What did Clayton say?
Huh?
What did Clayton say?
Copy, 1435.
We didn't want to press charges for nothing either. Nobody wants to press charges here, but it's domestic.
Press charges.
I know. Any other questions? In future, okay, listen, if it's her room and she wants you out and you're not leaving, people can push you out of their own room, okay? So, if I want you out of my house and you're not leaving my house, okay, I'm allowed to push you out of that house.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
alright. And then you can roll the window. Stop banging your head, okay? You've already got a big 9. You're going to get a bigger one. I know. Nobody does. Do you have her information?
When I first met
Yeah, she's in the call. Let me just double check.
Alright. So, cancel.
I just want to say something. Get in the car.
Man, how'd she get out?
In the car now.
She slammed her head.
Oh, so.
No, I don't break something.
Alright.
I'm gonna make you break me.
Turn around.
I'm gonna make you break me.
Stop. Look what you're doing.
I want to see my boyfriend.
You're not seeing your boyfriend. Get in the car.
And this is why I'm acting like this. Big wreck.
China, sit in the fucking car.
So bad.
Did she just kick you, Sam? Sam, did she just kick you?
Yes. You're gonna go in a hobble.
Yes, you did. You licked my leg up. There's camera footage. There's camera footage. You're lifting my leg up.
Stop. Get the hobble. There's a hobble. I have one hanging on my back seat.
Alright.
You want to get this off me? Now you're shut up and away home.
Oh, yeah, I already knew. That's why I said,
Okay, crush your foot.
you're gonna. I don't care. Look at my arm. I have 12 stitches.
Why are you acting like this?
I just want to see my
You
boyfriend.
can't though. You're not gonna go to jail for that long. Just relax. Go get out.
Now she is.
Okay?
Now she is.
Don't act like this.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in the car so we don't have to tie you up like a hog.
Cancel 16.
What a brothel out here.
Copy, 216. Show you the name.
This is not gonna make that happen.
Y'all told me straight up. What did you tell me? You're not going to see your boyfriend. You have his number, period. I know Clay.
You said I don't have his number. I said I will write it down for you, and this is how you act.
Because I want to see him. Say bye at least. Y'all are taking me to jail when I call the police when I have more bruises than you can count them on me.
Okay,
Man,
are
can
you
you get
gonna act
around?
right, or do we need to hobble you?
What does hobbling mean?
We'll tie you up like a pig, bro.
At this point, I don't have to.
Well, you're
Y'all think I'm playing. I don't have to lose. I told Clay if he ever end up doing this to me, I'm going to. And I'm telling. Where's BODYCAM? I'm going to.
Then you could get Baker acted and go to jail.
Okay, that's fine.
It changes nothing.
And I will. Baker Act.
Take her
I don't
straight
care.
to jail.
But I want to say, but can I just say bye to him?
Yes.
No.
Why?
Do you want me to hobble her? Or?
Why? I want to
Start
see him
typing
face
that
to
Leo
face.
affidavit right
Let's
now.
have him come out.
Ridiculous.
Have him come out and look
We're
at
not
my
gonna
face.
do what you want to do, especially when you're acting like a child. Okay? Stop acting like this. China.
What? Tracking on. What? I ain't touching anything. You can't say I hit you.
There's leg one. Good, you're making it easier. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then wash your face.
See?
I'm about to take that gun on me.
Just kick me. Knock my leg out. We will need to get her.
On my stomach, I'm not gonna play. I told you I don't got. I don't want to die. I want to. Please. Save me. Save me.
Stop grabbing me.
I'm done with life. I'm done with life. I'm so done with life, bro. I don't care. I want y'all, bro. That's what white people do to black people. So
She's
tell
not getting
me.
it. Bobbles on. Can someone tighten it around her legs, please, down below?
Just call back and hold on.
I got her feet. You good? What do you need?
232 City.
232.
Why is it like
I'm about to take your gun.
Hey!
Myself.
Back into
I hope you.
Yeah! Stop!
Don't touch what y'all like doing. Oh, this is what y'all like doing.
So bring her back.
This is what y'all like doing. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. This is what white folks do. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
it's here.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. This is what white people like doing.
Hold her head down.
George Floyd.
So she doesn't
George
slam.
Floyd.
Nobody's on your neck. Shut up.
Stop!
I'm
Stop
scraping the
rubbing
hell.
your head on the ground. Stop!
I'm trying to have y'all.
China.
Stop!
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna make y'all.
Stop! Stop!
She'll get tired. She'll get tired.
No, I won't.
Stop banging
Look at my arm, bro. I'm 15. I have.
I don't know. I'm a pretty fat.
That's supposed to go on here. The hobble's supposed to go around her.
So this is supposed to go right here.
I don't got no family.
This?
I don't got no kids. I don't got none of that, bro.
making it worse.
I don't got no kids. I don't got no
You're okay, you
kids.
got time.
I'm so done.
This looks
I'm
tight, I'm
getting
sure.
arrested, and I'm the one getting beat on. This
Stop! Stop!
is what happened to black people all the time.
Just hold her head down. She's
This
as tight as
was
it goes.
talking about.
Stop!
This that he was talking about.
Stop slamming your head.
I'm going to.
Stop!
I'm letting you guys know right now.
Get on her legs like that. Like that. Get your knees on her legs. Yeah, like that.
Stop. Kind of. Relax. Stop! So disgusting, bro.
I don't have to lose. I don't have no family, no none of that.
Stop.
That's okay.
Calm down.
That's okay. That's okay. That's
Put your thumb
okay.
out because I don't want you to.
Stop!
Oh my lord. This is why I wish we had a double cage.
Yep.
At least one double cage car.
And now I'm done. I'm getting arrested, and I'm the one getting beat on. Like, I got purple bruises on my leg.
No formal complaint was filed, no party in the household requested her arrest, yet Florida law left officers with no alternative. This is why. What statute removed all officer discretion from this outcome, and does that legal mechanism protect the people it was built to protect? Florida Statute, Section 741.29. When an officer has probable cause to believe domestic battery has, the officer shall arrest, not may. Shall. Florida Statute, Section 741.28 defines domestic violence as any battery committed by a household member against another, regardless of familial relationship. Florida Statute Section 784.03. Battery requires only intentional, unconsented physical contact. No injury threshold, no visible harm. Direct officer observation is sufficient for probable cause. Under Section 741.29, victim preference carries no legal weight at the arrest stage. A recantation, refusal to cooperate, or explicit request that no arrest be made is relevant. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318/2001. The Supreme Court held that custodial arrest for a misdemeanor observed by an officer is constitutionally permissible. Arrest requires probable cause. Conviction requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt. These are distinct legal thresholds. A mandatory arrest does not compel prosecution. Charging authority rests exclusively with the state attorney's office. Officers determine arrest. Prosecutors determine whether charges proceed to trial. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer's. At the moment the force decision is made. When a subject in custody actively strikes an officer, hobble restraint deployment is evaluated as a proportionate force response under the Graham v. Connor standard. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966. Prior to any custodial interrogation, officers must advise the right to silence and the right to counsel. Statements obtained before advisement are inadmissible. Florida Statute Section 843.2. Resisting an officer without say to. Non-compliance with a lawful command satisfies the element without requiring any physical aggression. Lesson 1. When a subject self-inflicts injury in custody, officers must immediately photograph the injury, notify a supervisor, and create a time-stamped record. This protects both the subject and the officer. Lesson 2. Separate witness interviews conducted away from other household members are a foundational domestic violence protocol. They minimize dominant party influence on testimony. Lesson 3. When a person discloses prior abuse and displays physical evidence, that disclosure must be formally documented regardless of whether a formal complaint is made. Lesson 4. Dehumanizing language during custodial interactions at any stress level falls below professional standards and creates independent civil and administrative legal exposure. Section 741.29 was designed to protect victims from coercive recantation by a dominant abuser. Applied here, it arrests the original caller while the alleged prior abuser remains in the residence uncharged. A batterer's intervention program sentence is calibrated for repeat domestic offenders. Its application to an alleged prior victim raises proportionality questions. The statute does not address. The alleged prior abuser was not charged. The bruising displayed by the original caller was documented but produced no arrest. It's owed. What does probable cause require in that situation? When mandatory arrest removes officer discretion entirely and the person arrested is also an alleged victim, what is the law protecting? And from what? The legal framework applied in this case is clear and was correctly executed. Whether it produced a just outcome is a question the statute itself does not answer. There is a gap between what the law requires and what the people inside this situation needed. Identifying that gap is not the same as closing it. That is the harder question.